My name's Monica King from InnovatorsBox, and welcome to the Circle of Creativity. I am so glad you are here because we're about to go into a really fun ride for the next 8 weeks. In the time being, just expect that you will be learning new things, including learning how you can be more creative regardless of what job and industry you have. And second, thinking about possible ways how perhaps you can inspire others and lead to be more creative. And third, how, despite whatever circumstances, whatever the environment you are, how you can continue to learn how to get more ideas, inspire others, and problem solve. Now you might be wondering, well, that all sounds great, but how is that possible in 8 weeks? Where I'm about to show you is that we're going to ask you to go through some bumpy changes because we're not going to be able to get these results by doing the same thing. And so in the next 8 weeks, we prepared a thoughtful program where you're going to do a lot of peer-to-peer sessions, some online reflection, as well as expert conversations and coaching. And through that, I promise you that while we hold you accountable, you'll walk away with not only a new eye, but new perspective on how you can be more creative and how that will make a difference. Not just at work, but in your life. Because wouldn't you want to wake up where the world is more creative and know that they can be possible? So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Come with me.